everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can deposit money directly from bank account to Bybit. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your particular Bybit app on your phone, and right from over here tap on this option of deposit given on top right, and now this pop-up gonna appear. Now go ahead, choose this option of P2P Trading. Then you're gonna find this notification coming up. Tap on acknowledge right away. Then you will go to the section of buy and sell. Buy is simply you depositing, and selling is simply withdrawing process in the Bybit. So once you're in the buy section, you're gonna tap on this amount option. Add in the amount worth you would like to buy. Once you're done tapping on, you can tap on confirm, and you can also change the currency by tapping on this top icon if you would prefer. Otherwise, tap on confirm. Then next step, you're gonna go to this option of all payment methods, and from over here choose this bank transfer option, or all if you would prefer. Now tap on bank transfer, tap on confirm. Then from over here, go ahead, choose the appropriate seller according to you. Once you chosen that, tap on buy given on the right side. Then you can see with fiat, you're gonna simply switch. If you go to crypto, you're gonna add in the crypto amount, and it will simply convert to the cryptocurrency amount. Simply go ahead, add in the enter amount right over here. Once you're done entering, tap on buy in the bottom. Then you can see complete your payment within. Then you're gonna find details regarding it. Simply scroll down to the bottom, and now you can tap on this option of pay now on the bottom right. Then from over here, you're gonna find your complete your payment within. This interface gonna pop up. You simply gotta scroll down to the again. Then afterwards, once you're done the payment complete, tap on the payment complete option. In this notification gonna pop up, tap on OK again. Then you're gonna again scroll down to the bottom, tap on payment completed. Then again for the last, the confirmation gonna pop up. Tap on this little icon, check on it, and tap on confirm again. Then this kind of video is gonna pop up, which shows that your coins will be released in this amount of time. So that's how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.